Hey everyone, welcome to Lead with AI. Today I will show you step by step how you can swap or replace a character in a video using AI tool, just like a viral Dhurandhar movie clip. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, the first AI tool is Pixverse AI tool. So you need to write Pixverse in your Google Chrome. So I'm just writing Pixverse AI tool. So this is Pixverse AI tool. Here you can see on the left hand section, you will see a video section. Just click on video, right? And you will see this kind of interface appears in your screen. So here on the left hand side, you will see a swap option. Click on this one, swap, and you will see an interface of this one. You need to add your original video in this Pixverse AI tool. So first of all, let's upload by clicking on this one. Click on local file. So you need to upload the original video, this one, it's uploading. So it successfully added the original video. Very next to that, click on this one. It will basically appears like it will show the all the characters in a scene, right? So you can see first person is this one. Just select second person because Akshay Khanna is in second person, like in second place. So you just need to select second person and click save, right? And third option is you need to add your own image, right, to replace with the actual character. Click on this one, add your own image. I have successfully added my own original image just to show you. So it's successfully uploaded, and the only thing you need to do is just need to click on create button, and after clicking on create button, you will see the magic. So this is the very first option of how you can swap or replace a character in any video using Pixverse AI tool. The second option is Kling AI tool. This is the second option how you can swap or replace a character in a video. So just click on new tab and write Kling AI tool, this one. So you can see Kling Open AI is currently open. So you need to click on video section, and on the top bar you will see multi elements section. So just need to click on multi elements. You can see now, you can see we are currently on a swap, not on add and delete. Just select swap, right? So you need to add your video in this section, clicking on this one, and I'm just uploading the original video. So this is the original video. It's uploading and analyzing. Obviously it will take some time. You can see it successfully added the original video. So here is a method now how you can replace a character, right? So you need to just add the selection, like for example by clicking on this section. You can see I have just selected the person which we need to replace, like this one. And in the meanwhile, like parallel, you need to play your video as well. So just create multiple selections to make consistency, right? So just play this video, this one. Then see after some time, pause this video and select again the green section. You will see this one. So it provides more consistency while adding your own character. So this one, play again, then select this one as well with different pose. This one, play again, stop, and add some more selections. So more the selection you will do, the best it will provide the consistency, right? So you just need to add on confirm button. Click on confirm. You can see this one. Now you need to add your own image, right? So click on this one, add your own image. It's uploading image. So now it successfully added the image. So you can see now the default selection will be auto. You can just select the element, you can just select the only face one as well, costume and manual as well. So just need to select auto, right, and click on confirm. So now here it comes the most tricky part. So you will see like a swap X, like for example swap face from my image, like it automatically added my own image. You can see image one is my own image, so you need to just write face in place of X. So swap face from my image for selected person from that video. It automatically gets the original video which we have just uploaded, right? So now the only thing you need to do is just click on generate and definitely you will see the magic. So hope you will definitely like this video. So if you want more content like this, like more content about AI, so don't forget to follow and subscribe.